Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have a 2021 Street Glide Standard in Billiard Red. Bike only has 15,000 miles, very clean. Only got a couple of things changed on it. It's mostly bone stock, still got stock exhaust. They did add the saddlebag guards. Got some nice adjustable highway pegs. Removed the tank badges, real clean look. All the tires are in good shape, everything's been checked out on it. It is good to go. Just like all of our used bikes, gets a full inspection by our service department. Make sure the service is up to date, make sure everything's good to go on it, make sure they're ready to ride. It already has the docking hardware on the back. Rear tire looks good. Yeah, bike's just ready for somebody to get it and ride it, fix it up a little bit, make it their own. Yep, 15,194 miles. Think this could be your next bike? Inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, and check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.